Okay, I thought I should show you this year's build. This is originally a Lynx Boondocker DS. Originally it was black with blue and gold details, and as you can see now it's red and black, and it's not just a wrap to change the color, it has been completely teared apart, and the chassis and also the subframe in front is powder coated. But let's go through some of the details. Here in front we have a Lynx DTX shocks and the skins front end with some powder coated parts. The wrap is from Wrappington. Here you can see my own design for a protection for the air intake. And of course we have Ljungbergs Motor, who has helped me with both the sled and a lot of parts to it. LED converted headlights. We have a bumper from Lynx, but I have changed the colors to match my theme, and also the front grip is CNC milled out of a aluminium bar. Here you can see, made my own protection for the brake disc. Also put some nice color on the brake caliper to match the shocks. Homemade running boards with CNC milled traction blocks. And here we have a custom made seat cover which Handgrens in Sundsvall has helped me with some embroidery. Here you can see the Lynx logo, the DS logo. Also the rear bumper, my own design, and with help from a friend who has laser cut and bent it. And then it's also powder coated red. And here at the rear we have a also CNC milled handlebar. This frame I have changed to red also to match the theme. It was golden when I did get the sled. And if you take a look here in the front, see if I have changed these screws. So this racing quick connection, this connection, and then I have a hot pot or whatever you call it to get some warm food up on the mountains. Okay, here we go and see the handlebar. It's painted red to match. Homemade kill switch. We have protection for the brake reservoir and skins brake lever. You can see in the rear suspension, special wheels from X-Limit, Lynx shocks, powder coated rails, another wheel from X-Limit, 10-inch wheels from X Limit with offset axle.